Hi there! Let's make faces in different angles. Let's see, what do we have in our book? Well, we see a man's face and he is looking in different directions. So, let's see the steps and start making it. We will observe the details of different angles of the faces and then start making it. Well, this face is looking in front. Hence, let's start by making that. At first, we are going to make a circle and then an extended version. After that, let's make the head part and then the hair. Continue making the ears on the left and the right side. And then make the jawline. After which, erase this part. And then make it in a better way. This looks interesting. Let's make the eyebrows, nose, mouth and the eyes. Not to worry if you make a mistake. You can make it once again after erasing it. Go ahead by making it slowly and nicely. Try and make identical eyes. And then let's make the lips. Let's correct the nose a little bit. This looks great. After this, let's make another angle wherein the face is slightly tilted. We will start by making a circle and after that make an extended version of the jawline at the bottom. Let's make the hairline now and then connect it to the neck. After that, we will start by making the eyes and the nose. Make the eyebrows as well. And then make the lips. Make a sharp jawline. And then continue making the hair. Connect it to the neck now and erase all the overlapping parts. This looks very interesting. Go ahead by making this slowly and nicely. That's amazing. Finally, let's go to the last one. Make the facial features and then make the hair. This looks amazing. Let's erase the overlapping or rough parts. And now start coloring it. Well, yes, we will be coloring this with pencil colors. Be very careful and start with the eyebrow. Yes, let's make a thin eyebrow. And then make beautiful eyes. Continue making the other eyebrow now. And then start by making the eyes. This looks brilliant. Go ahead with the next face. That's lovely. Next up, we are going to do the hair nicely. Start by making the hair strands. You can also use your pencil and make these hair strands. They give a more realistic feel. Go ahead and make it for the top one. This looks interesting. Let's take a dark brown or black color and continue doing this. This is lovely. And now let's go ahead and make the hair for the last one. Try it with multiple colored pencils. That looks great. Use a black one for this as well. That's amazing. Now let's take a brown colored pencil and start by highlighting these parts. It gives us a beautiful shadow effect, so let's do it in a similar way. Highlight all the parts which are having the shadow. And then let's do the lips with red color. After which, let's blend all of these colors with skin color. Yes, the natural color of our skin. Go ahead and complete the entire drawing in a similar way. This looks amazing.